Guys, it's Clara. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are back at my Dollar Tree for another Shop With Me video. Stay tuned. If you like all things Dollar Tree hauls, Dollar Tree organizing, all that good stuff, please check out my channel and subscribe below. Okay, so right at the front with the 4th of July stuff, there were more storage bins. These were more of a circular shape versus the shape for drinks and such. You could probably still put drinks in here, but these would look cute too, I think, as planters. So couldn't you see some pink or red impatiens in this white container? I think that would be so, so pretty. Okay, I confess, I know some people think these pinwheel things are kind of cheesy looking, but I love them. I think they just really brighten up a garden. And for me, they help deter rabbits. I was hoping to pick up these specific ones, but they were looking a bit wonky. So watch out for that. Oh my gosh, how beautiful these are. I just love that gray. And the pink, I think that is just so, so pretty. These are not a Dollar Tree brand, I don't think. They had like pen holders, they had long skinny ones for drawers, some thicker ones for shelves. I mean, all sorts of sizes. Makeup, not a whole ton, but I did want to let you know about the Lashes by Ione. I did finally give them a try. I really like them. The kind that I tried were the Natural Light Wispy, which worked well for me. I did have to trim them a little bit on the inner corners, but the glue is awful. It is crap. I'm sorry, but they are. If you have had success, I am so glad for you because mine was dry as a bone. Some tie-dyed collapsible storage containers. These are in 3 different kinds of tie-dye designs. Also saw these displays of precious rock agates. I saw 4 different colors in blue, kind of like this gray, black, brown color, purple, and green. I think the green one is my favorite. It kind of reminds me of like a Northern Lights kind of swirl. A bunch of candle making kits still, and lots of different shapes and sizes of candles and votives. The hobnail stuff is back again, but these were my favorite. This clear blue with a metallic gold leaf of leaves. Of course, you know how I love my palm and monstera leaves. And so every time I'm at the Dollar Tree, I see them everywhere, like here and here on this wrapping paper, here again, and even here on earphone cases. I know, they just pop out at me just because I love them. Looks like some of the succulents with the frames are still available. I picked this up, but I'm not going to show it in the haul later just because I've already done a craft project with it. But this is cool even by itself without doing anything to it. So it's a wooden frame. It says home at the bottom with some cacti. I also saw some of the flower starters in the forget-me-nots, daisy, and coneflowers. Daisy and coneflowers for me tend to come back really, really well. I took a shot of this item just because I've never seen it before. It's in the glow sticks. They are a pair of nunchucks. Oh my gosh. If you have somebody that knows what they're doing, this could be kind of a cool light display during their routine. Aren't these bookmarks so cute? So I saw 2 different kinds of packages. Each had 3 different bookmarks in them. This one says love begins with either God or good. You make life beautiful and do small things with great love. The second set said be bold and courageous, enjoy simple pleasures, and love what you do. Anyway, I need a couple of these for my dad. These are those Himalayan nasal inhaler things to kind of open up your congestion with menthol. And still more of the footies. They have some in like a tie-dye pattern. I've had success with their socks before. Not this specific brand, but I wouldn't be surprised if these work well. These feel really nice though. Nice and smooth. Some mini pillows were available if you want to do a little decorating. And these tags, man, they're so big. Do you cut the tags off your pillows? decal of the Our Father look kind of cool. This could be cute by itself, or you could put it into a frame. In the past, I posted a video on desk organization, and I loved these items from the Dollar Tree for that. So these are file folders, and they have such vivid and beautiful colors. It just brightens up your desk space. So many great notepads by Crown Jewels. This one, though, really called out to me. It's a weekly planner. It's a smaller kind of version. You could even put it into a bigger planner if you need something portable. I have used these sticky notes before. I know they don't have the best reputation, but I really like them. If you pull them from the side, straight across, that they tend to stick better for some reason. Also in the office / school supply section were these plastic rubbing plates. And just like how you might have taken a leaf when you were little to make an etching or a rubbing, you could totally do it with these kinds of plates. For the life of me, I cannot find binder clips. These are kind of a cool item. It's the Ticonderoga, my first Ticonderoga pencils. It says my first because they are of a bigger diameter. So if you have a child that has trouble with their fine motor skills, and perhaps they're working with an OT or they're working on it at home, these are kind of nice because it is a stepping stone to working with a more typical pencil. They don't have to have as fine of a grip, and yeah, it could be helpful. I remember seeing crayons like this that were very helpful for my daughter, you know, the thicker kinds of crayons, when she was first working on grip strength. How cool are these pencils for your animal lovers in your household? My daughter loves giraffes, and my godson loves dinosaurs, so I might have to get this. It's a fun felt playboard, so it has about backgrounds there, prehistoric times with the felt dinosaurs. How cool is it that Dollar Tree has readers of all sorts of levels, all the way up to junior novelizations? I absolutely love that. All right, so that is it for my Dollar Tree. If you like this video and all things Dollar Tree, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and take care.